Namaste and good evening. I extend my most sincere gratitude and thanks to the organizers. I am Manisha Sharma from Sharma Billiard Accessories, New Delhi, India. It is a great honor and a privilege for me to represent my company here on this esteemed platform. Sharma Billiard Accessories, or it is lovingly called as SBA in India or simply Sharma in India, has made a remarkable journey since 1997, founded by the visionary Shri Amit Sharma, my husband Shri Amit Sharma, when he was just 19 years of age. His deep passion for billiard and snooker, complemented by his experience as a national level player himself and fueled by his desire to contribute to the sport, starting modestly with a few cues to sell, he soon expanded his ambition to table manufacturing. Over the years, Amit Sharma's relentless pursuit of excellence led to the development of some of the finest tables that we have in India today. India's major importers are Nepal, Bhutan and UAE. And this will definitely be higher next year, all thanks to the great feedback that we are getting for our products from our importers from Nepal, Bhutan and UAE. Amit Sharma's vision and leadership have been a pivotal role in elevating SBA to new heights. Talking about the products that we have to offer, we are the largest manufacturers of snooker tables in India. Along with snooker tables, we do have the Indian pool, the American pool, and of late we have introduced the Chinese 8-ball, which is lovingly called the Hay ball in India. And it gives me immense happiness and proud to tell you all that SBA was the table sponsor for the first National Hay Ball Championship, which was held in India in August 2025. Not only with this national championship, there are various tournaments which are held not on a championship scales, but yes, on a state level, on Indian level, such as the Bockline tournament, the RKG tournament, in which we are the table suppliers for table sponsors for those championships as well. SBA supports various state level championships, and we also support players as and when we can afford to. Now, there has been a great increase in the number of snooker clubs that are being opened recently in India. Lot many clubs are opening, not only in the major cities, but not only in tier 2 cities, but in tier 3 cities. Growing love and enthusiasm for snooker and pool can easily be attributed to the success of various Indian players at the world level. It gives me immense pride and happiness to share with you all that in this year 2025, we have had more than 10 international medal winners, Indian players who have won medals at the international level.